Kia ora, good morning. It is Wednesday. I am Mike from Markets. This is Kiwibank Markets in a minute. Right, global markets. Global equity markets, they were a little higher this morning. And yeah, they're our proxy for global market sentiment. So I'm going to try and explain why. Yeah, by the numbers, currently 4% gains for the major US indices. In Europe, they finished their trading day up 2-point-something%. Yeah, okay, so the overnight session in the financial markets was, or is, still Tuesday, Arvo in New York. Either way, the focus was on economic support and infection rate counting. Yeah, that second one should be a given now, but looking at the first one, economic support, we of course had a local pledge of 12.1 billion yesterday as the first foray into fiscal fighting of Corona. Kiwi Economics, they did a one-pager on that. If you missed it yesterday, it'll be linked somewhere down there. Yeah. Anyway, over in the States, the US equivalent package navigated a few legislative hurdles. Their number is a little bit bigger, this particular piece of fiscal action. It has an $850 billion price tag. While those wheels were in motion, the Fed, they expanded their support offering by reinstating a commercial paper buyback facility. Basically, it's another mechanism to get cash into the system quickly. They also encouraged some of the larger US banks to tap a short-term borrowing facility they offer at the discount window in the hopes that smaller, maybe less financially sound financial organizations will follow suit without worrying about any negative stigma. Yeah, sort of like, hey, your big brother's doing it, it must be cool. Maybe it's a big sister. I don't know. I was the big brother. Talk about what you know. Yeah. Anyway, so those steps were viewed as being in the right direction and of a sufficient magnitude, and so markets gave the actions, or in the case of the fiscal response proposed actions, 2 thumbs up. Maybe 1 thumb up. Either way, it was an equity rally. This is not the end of the volatility, though. That's going to continue for some time. Today, last night, just a good day, comparatively good day. So, looking at the other markets, gold is higher, which doesn't seem to align with the move in equities, but probably reinforces that, yeah, the financial world, the wider world, is still very much in a risk-off mode. The greenback surged on those US steps, proposed and actual, and yeah, that pushed pretty much every other currency lower. From a Kiwi perspective, that move lower took us to 59.16 US cents. We're trading near 59.5 now. Some noise in the Kiwi crosses. Kiwi Aussie styles parity is still yet to be achieved, and also Kiwi related, but probably lost in the wash of everything else that's going on. The index price at the global dairy trade auction fell by 3.9%, 4th consecutive fall in that semi-monthly event. Yeah. Okay, I think that's about enough. Remember when we used to make a joke about these being longer than a minute? Back then they were averaging 90 seconds. Simpler times. Anyway, usual sign off. This is a rapidly evolving situation. Give the dealing room a holler if you need to discuss anything market related. We very much are here to help. Yeah, kia pai tōra.